This is one of my favorite days of the month. It's our Azure Standard drop pickup day. And if you've never been to one before, it's basically a group of neighbors all pooling our orders so that everyone can buy food in bulk without paying individual freight. Okay, what is your favorite Azure product or something that you just order all the time?
Well, it's the Golden Temple Maple Pecan Dream Granola.
Ooh,
Yeah, it's just we tried that first and tried some other ones. It was like the Cadillac of granola.
yum. I haven't tried that
Oh,
one.
it's a really good one. And then Grazer's white sharp cheddar cheese.
Yes,
Yeah.
that's my favorite
Yeah,
one too.
those are probably the things we order the most. And then sundry items, but those are the two items that we love the most.
Must have.
We have to have those. And peanut butter. Oh, forgot the peanut butter. Once and again, unsweetened, unsalted peanut butter.
Yeah.
And so, yeah, that's Randy.
You get the big bucket.
You get the 9-pound bucket.
Yes.
Yeah. So, yeah.
I used to go to the drop at your house. How long ago was that the drop was at your house?
It started in 97.
97.
Yeah. So in
Yes.
27, it will be 30
When
years.
I was 2 years old.
Anyway,
Oh,
thank you. And I hope you all enjoy Azure. And there's so many more new products, and we are just very pleased with the quality.
the
Yeah.
quality
Yeah.
always.
Yeah. We met many people along the way, watched babies grow up and all that. Anyway. But
Awesome.
anyway,
Thank you, Susie.
you're welcome.
Okay, what is one thing that you will always buy from Azure and one thing you probably won't buy again?
Oh, that's a good question. One thing I probably would keep buying is these little like cheddar puffs.
Ooh, yeah.
They're like baked. Oh my gosh, Benjamin just loves them so much. So does Joe. So yeah, as a toddler snack, that is definitely something I'd probably keep getting. Something I wouldn't buy again.
Bacon, the beef bacon is really, really good, but I'll only buy it once in a while.
I would not buy that again. I
You didn't like that.
like it. Remember, I gave it to you.
You're right, you didn't like that.
I
There you-
didn't
I
like it.
filled
There you go. There you
Okay.
go. I did not love that. Not that it wasn't good.
How are you girls? Good. Miss Marie, do you want to be interviewed?
She does.
Step in.
May have to scrub this since I'm not always good on the spot, but we'll see.
Okay, it's easy peasy. Come in a tiny bit
Oh,
more.
I
Okay,
didn't see the camera.
what is your favorite Azure item right now?
Ooh. Well, probably the wheat berries that I'm getting
The wheat
because
berries.
I've been waiting on them for a while.
Yes,
Not because of Azure, but because of me.
just because you're just getting into the fresh milk.
I just got my mill and then it's been waiting for a drop that I could come to. So
Awesome. Is there anything off the top of your head that you think you won't order again that you've got before and you're like, that wasn't my favorite or it wasn't worth the money or like just something that's not your favorite?
I would say the flowers aren't my favorite
The
because
unifying
they're
flowers.
a little bit on the rough side or the
Coarse.
poor side.
Yeah,
But I don't have any issues with the quality otherwise or flavor.
but just you're not
So-
maybe a whole wheat flour all the time person.
Well, I am getting
But
a
you're
milk,
getting into fresh
so I
milk
guess
flour
maybe
now,
it's
so
just maybe if I were accustomed to fresh milk flour
gonna be a
before,
little bit of a
the
curve.
texture would be more familiar.
Yeah.
But yeah, I don't know. So.
well, thank you for sharing.
My favorite thing would be flour. I make sourdough regularly and I can get a big bag and it lasts until the next order.
Awesome. Is there anything that you've bought that you've been like not worth the price or not your favorite thing that you just don't get anymore?
Not really.
Not really.
Sometimes there's been some produce that wasn't like perfect, but nothing
Major.
terrible. No, even I've got stuff by accident that I end up liking.
Love it. Yes, that happens every once in a blue moon that your package gets like mixed boxed and you'll get something weird. But
Yeah.
awesome. Thank you.
One of our favoriteest Azure products is the frozen fruit. We eat so much of it.
It is really good stuff. It's
Yes.
good. Is there anything you've ever gotten that you just don't order anymore that ended up not being your favorite? Or wasn't the best value you found or anything that you just don't get anymore?
I don't think so, not off the top of my head. Every once in a while, we'll try something just because, and very rarely do we not order it again.
Awesome.
So,
Thanks for sharing.
you're welcome.
So what is your favorite or just order all the time Azure product?
Definitely their pasta. I really like their shell noodles. Their sausages, their chicken sausage
Oh, I love those.
is absolutely delicious. That's our favorite. That's like our birthday thing. If there's a birthday that month, we like load up on that. There's so much tortillas. I really like it because that's what I love about Azure. You don't have to worry too
Right,
much.
it's all
I mean, it's all really clean. And so I love that. You don't have to stress about things. But yes, their tortillas make it nice and quick for you if you don't want to make homemade tortillas. Yeah, basically all their pasta I love. Some other things that we get on a regular basis would be their wheat berries. I buy a lot of wheat berries.
stock up on the bulk wheat.
Yes.
Because shipping is free to drop.
Yeah.
And
yeah.
buying them somewhere else, the shipping is astronomical. half the
Absolutely.
time.
Absolutely. If I can, I try to do most of my bulk shopping with Azure because
Mhm.
you're saving on gas. You're not driving 3 hours away to go to Costco.
Exactly, because we're so far away
Yep.
from anything else.
Yep. You're not driving an hour and a half to the nearest town, basically,
Yeah.
to buy more.
Is there anything you've ordered before that you're like, yeah, we won't do that again because it either wasn't worth it or just wasn't your favorite?
Oh man. Okay, one was olives. I'm trying to remember.
Olives.
Yes, there was one time I got a certain type of olive and I don't know what it was. It wasn't the green olives. Maybe it was black olives. No, I
Or
don't know.
Kalamata olives?
Maybe. There was some olives I ordered one time and I did have to
Not your
pass those
favorite?
off to a friend. Yes. And they're black olives, they're just a different color and I think
Yeah.
it's because it's clean and organic. It's not that nice dark
I
black.
accidentally bought the massive, like, restaurant-sized olives once
Oh,
instead of the
little
I wanted to get, like, a 12-pack of
Uh-huh.
little olives, and I accidentally got, like, a
they
12-quart of
they
olives.
got hugely stocked up.
So I had to open it and then, like, portion it out and then freeze it. 'Cause I bought
okay.
so many olives on accident.
That's crazy. Yeah, I get my portions off. That's one thing too. I'm not good about like, oh, I wish I had ordered more of this because I thought it was, like I get my
Right.
portions off on.
That's a little bit of a learning curve.
Yeah, you can get keeper grains there. You can get jars. You can get
Sourdough starter, you can get
You-
all the things.
you can get so much. Honestly, I can't really think of honestly anything that we don't like.
Thanks
We
for
can
sharing.
Get it from Azure.
Yeah, awesome.
So
Thank
yeah.
you.
Yeah, no problem.
Everybody has different staples, but here is what ended up in my order this month. I restocked on just some pantry basics that we were starting to run low on. I've got rolled rye flakes because my family doesn't do well on oats, but we do well on rolled rye and barley flakes that are phenomenal. We also stocked up on millet because we were almost out, some paprika powder, and some cocoa powder. Those were just things we were running low on. Same with oil, syrup, vinegar. We were just getting low. Now, the peaches, I am getting low on peaches, but this is not something that I usually order in this volume because I normally can peaches every summer. But this was not a great year for peaches in my area, so they're a little bit scarce and they're very expensive this year. And so when I saw these on flash sale, I figured, you know what? It is going to be cheaper for me to just buy peaches at this price, organic, nice peaches, than to source and can my own. And then, canning peaches is quite the hoopla. It's a very hot, sweaty, sticky foray that takes all day, all day, all day. Even if you have a team and you're making it a group effort, it's just a very labor intensive process, which is super fun. And I usually do it with my family every year, but this year we just bought our peaches, which is okay, totally fine to opt out of canning something for 1 year. So I love shopping the flash sales. If you have not been getting the emails or seeing the Facebook notifications for the Waves of Abundance flash sales, you are super missing out. Azure does these flash sales periodically, and I feel like very regularly lately. I don't think they used to be this frequent, but they've been happening very frequently lately. And it's usually most items are about 30% off, and the sale only lasts for 3 or 4 days. So you have to add the items to your cart and check out. But of course, after you check out, you can keep adding things to your cart all the way until your cutoff date. So you add the sale items to your cart, you check out, you lock in that sale price, and then often lately there have been second or third flash sales that pop up within my order window. So I can add things from multiple sales to my order within my cutoff window. And if it's something that I normally buy anyway, I just add some while it's on sale to my order because 30% is a good amount of savings. That really adds up. And they've had some just awesome flash sales lately. So Little Azure hack, if you're not getting those emails or following their Facebook and Instagram to look for those flash sale notifications, definitely do, because it is some serious worthwhile savings. This is what Azure looks like in our household. It's not giant pallets every month or a year's worth of food all at once. It's just steadily replacing what we've used, taking advantage of good sales, and adding a few things that make life easier here and there. Month after month, little by little, this is how our pantry stays full. If you're curious about what I buy most often from Azure, I'll link my favorites list below. And if you're new to Azure and placing your first order, you can use my coupon code to save a little bit on that first purchase. If you've been interested in buying in bulk, but thought that you had to spend thousands of dollars to get started, I hope that this gives you another perspective. You can start with flour or olive oil, or peaches when they're on sale. You don't have to build your pantry overnight or buy a whole year's worth all at once. Thanks for tagging along on my Azure drop day. I always enjoy seeing what everybody else is buying because it gives me ideas for my own pantry. I'd love to know what's always in your Azure order, or if you've never ordered before, what's one thing that you would be most excited to try?